Hey y'all, it's Katie. Welcome back to From My Vanity and welcome to another unboxing video for the month. We are going to be unboxing my Tribe Beauty box, or Tribe Beauty bag as you could say. Yeah, I was going to cancel after last month, which if you didn't see last month, you can check it up here. It was pretty disappointing and I was gonna cancel, but then with everything going on in the world, that was honestly the last thing on my mind. I didn't cancel it right away, and then towards the end of the month a couple times I was like, oh yeah, I better see what the spoilers are, and if I don't like them I'll cancel. And then I got the email notification that I was charged. It was being shipped to me. It's my own fault. So I was like, well, I guess I'm doing another unboxing. So yeah, that is what we're going to be unboxing today. The April box. We're in April, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I saw 2 sneak peeks. It looks somewhat promising. There's a palette in here that looks like it's more up my alley. So let's dive in and see if this is worth it. And if not, I'm going to make myself go on there tonight and cancel because I always say, well, let me see what the spoilers are for next time and then I'll decide if I want to cancel. And then I never do. So anyway, I'm just a mess over here. But yeah, I had some feedback saying that if I get them, you guys like to see unboxings. Levi is over here chilling with me. He just had some food. He's playing with some toys and yawning apparently. So you're probably going to hear him in the background. But yeah, I'm going to quit going on and on about it. Let's just jump right in. I didn't say this, but it's a little over $35. I forget exactly how many you're promised to get. I'll have the link down below if you want to check it out. I'm not affiliated with them. As I kind of already explained, I purchased this myself, and yeah, anyway, April is baby doll is the theme. I'll just set the little card down here. So nothing is given away. First thing I pulled out was a Net69 and Beauty Creation. Okay, it's a collab with someone named Net69 and it's a highlighter. Retails for $15.99. Ooh, that's cute. It's got 69 all over and aliens. She must be into aliens. Really cute, compact, very large, and that looks like a pretty highlighter. This was one of the spoilers I saw. And the way they showed this highlighter looked like it was blinding. Let's see. What do we think? It looks pretty. I already have a highlight on her. I would apply this on top, but it looks like a good shade for me. I like that kind of warm goldy. It leans a little, maybe pink, no, peach I would say. It's not really pink. Little peachy, but we'll have to give it a try and see. We'll see what it looks like with a brush. It's kind of hard to swatch a highlighter because I feel like it behaves very differently when you use a brush. Sometimes it can be even better, sometimes it can be even worse. But I'm not mad at this. I am going to try it out. And like I said, really cute packaging. Minus the aliens. I'm not into aliens personally, so it's kind of like, but cute packaging. It doesn't deter me that much. Okay, pulling out the next thing in here, we have something from SkinChemists London. Never heard of this brand. It's Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Oh, it has peppermint oil. I guess I should expect that because it's lip plumping, but like peppermint oil just agitates your lip so that it plumps up. So it's a very temporary thing. I was kind of hoping there'd be something like long-term benefits of this, but with peppermint oil being the big ingredient they're touting, I'm assuming it's not really long-term. I don't know. The ingredients don't jump out to me as being that nourishing, but again, I don't know what that first and second ingredient is, and third ingredient is peppermint oil. So, I'm going to just hold it to the side for right now because I don't know if I want to open this. I've never been in someone who wants to inflict pain on my lips in order to get them looking plumper. Like, I really don't care the size of my lips, but this retails for $29.99, so a decent price and a little less than the amount of the box itself, or the bag. Okay, I'm going to pull this out because it's really big and in the way. Okay, yeah, this is the other sneak peek I saw. This is from SUVA Beauty, the Rose Period. I think it's the Rose Period. Yep, the Rose Period palette retails for $40. So this is over the size of the bag, or the size. This is over the price of the bag, box, whatever you want to call it. Really pretty. It's like little hands with very pretty nails reaching out among the flowers. And here's what it looks like. Kind of bummed that it's in white because I feel like that'll get dirty. But yeah, here's what it looks like. It's very pretty if you like these tones. But like my eye goes to it and I'm like, these two didn't need to be in there. They're kind of like the same color. And maybe there's some difference between here. There's difference between there, but they're kind of the same color, just different depths. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to pull this out and try it. Part of me thinks not, just because I have a lot of palettes I'm looking forward to. And I've said it before, I'm not really a purple pink type of girl. Like, I don't know. It's pretty, but it's not something that excites me to put on my eyes. Like what I have on my eyes is really pretty. I didn't say earlier, a video is coming on this later next week. It's a bunch of singles, so I'm not going to link them all because that would take a long time. But stay tuned. In a couple more days, I'll have a video out featuring this look. Okay, moving on. I will decide on that palette later. We have, ooh, this big thing. It's Konjac Sponge. Clean skin is always in. Let's see. Yeah, it's a facial sponge by Grace and Stella. Okay. $15 US. Oh, and it's 2 little sponges. I have seen these before. Well, you know what? Is this good for the body? It says facial sponge. It's supposed to gently exfoliate, rubbing off dead skin cells in the most delicate manner while its natural fibers effectively and simultaneously clean dirt and makeup away from your skin. Wipe off stubborn traces of makeup on your face, treat clogged pores, acne, act as a gentle exfoliator or cleanser and exfoliator to make skin look more radiant. It's a 2-step, I guess, because there's 2 different ones. No, it doesn't really say. Maybe they just have 2 different colors to be neat. I don't know. Well, did I tell you guys? $15. I don't think I'm going to open this. I'm just not a sponge person when it comes to my face. Maybe I could use it for my body. Let me know if you guys have used this before. Use these kind of Konjac. I feel like I'm not saying that word right. I feel like I'm butchering it. But anyway, if you've used these sponge, let me know how you like them. Do you just use them for your face? Do you use them for other parts of your body? I'm curious. I don't really have problems with like breakouts across my body. So I don't really know if I'll use it. And I tend to like a sugar scrub for my legs and stuff or areas that I wax. So I don't know if I'm going to open that one either. Okay, 2 more things. Let's pull this out. Oh, I think they're both the same. Okay, it's from Mirabella, and it's a lip liner, it looks like. I think. 2 times lip definer liner by Mirabella. $18 each. Wait, was I supposed to get 2? Okay, I got 2. They're 2 different colors, so I'm guessing I was supposed to get both of them. We have, the dark one is Smart, and the light one is Tease. But I am not a lip liner person, so I'm not going to open either of them. $18 seems expensive. I have tried Mirabella in the past from like previous BoxyCharms and stuff. Don't know what I remember of them. I think they were just kind of like all right. I'm trying to put this back in the right one, so Smart goes in here. But yeah, kind of bummer for me because I don't really want a lip liner. So yeah, that was the last thing in the box. Let me count this up and then give you my final thoughts. Alright, so I counted everything up, and for 2 lip liners, a palette, a lip plumper, Konjac sponges, and a highlighter, the total value came to $136.98. And I feel like I paid around $36 for it, so I basically got like $100 worth of items for free. But when I actually look at this and know what I'm definitely going to use, I'm definitely using the highlighter. And probably, I'll maybe keep this in the wings, and if I get through my palettes, and if I want to, I might try this. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing it. If I see interest, then I'll kind of put it more of a priority. But if I don't hear any interest from you guys, I'll probably end up just reselling it on like Poshmark, or I've been meaning to get on Mercari to try to sell makeup that I don't need, because I did pay for this, so. Anyway, I'll probably put it on there. Don't think I'm going to use this. Not going to bother with that. So it's basically like I paid $35 for this, which retailed for $16. So it's kind of a bummer for me. I mean, these aren't bad things, which is why I feel bad. Like, these aren't bad products. If you're someone who liked this, like the color story in here, this is a $40 palette, you know, you got in here. And it's a nice, full-size, beautiful, gorgeous-looking palette. It's just not for me. So I hate to come across as negative in saying that I don't like the products that I got, but I do think I'm going to stop the subscription, and I might try a different subscription box that focuses on indie, because I really do like how the Tribe Beauty box focuses on indie brands. I really like that because I get to try different things, but I don't know, they haven't hit the mark for me very much, so I think I'm just going to take a break from them tonight. I'm going to get on, and I am going to go ahead and cancel, or maybe just take my card away so they ask me before I charge. I don't know. I think I'm going to not get not next month, but the following month. They do it every other month. But I'm excited to try this highlighter. You guys will hear my thoughts on that for sure. So yeah, anyway, little man over here is done sitting in his chair, so I'm just gonna close out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the unboxing, and yeah, let me know what you guys think of this box. Like I said, it's not a bad box. If you're someone who likes lip liners, likes a pinky palette, you know, likes lip plumpers, you would like a lot in this, and it might be, you know, worth it to you. But for me personally, it's just hasn't hit the mark. I think this is the second or third time I've tried it, and yeah, I don't know. I'm just ready for something new, to try something new, so I don't think I'm going to be unboxing them anymore, at least in the foreseeable future. So yeah, with all that said, if you enjoyed this unboxing, I don't think it was very helpful, but at least found it entertaining, please hit the thumbs up button on your way out. And as always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch another one of my videos. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you very soon in my next video. You guys want to see a little bit of Levi? He's like, what you doing? Who you There's just a camera, mama. What are you doing up here? Anyway, yeah, with all that said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.